Dirt road faded, engine gave out. Two strangers stuck where the tall pines crowd. No signal, no map, just the fading daylight. Then the sky opened up, pouring down like the night.
You looked at me, I looked at you,
said, guess we're not going anywhere soon.
thunder rolling, windows fogging slow.
I reached in the back, pulled an old blanket low.
We sat in my car as the rain came down all night long in the backwoods sound.
Hearts beating louder than the storm outside.
Two souls getting lost in each other's eyes, talking till the words turned into whispers.
Falling asleep with your head on my shoulder,
under the backwoods rain.
You told me secrets you'd never said out loud. I shared my dreams I'd kept buried in the clouds.
Your laughter filled the dark like a warm little flame, while the rain kept singing our brand new names.
Hours slipped by, the world disappeared, just you and me in the rain growing near.
We sat in my car as the rain came down all night long in the backwoods sound.
Hearts beating louder than the storm outside.
Two souls getting lost in each other's eyes, talking till the words turned into whispers.
Falling asleep with your head on my shoulder,
under the backwoods rain.
No lights, no one else around,
just the steady rhythm of rain on the ground.
Your hand found mine
in the quiet dark,
and something inside me
came alive with a spark.
We woke to sunlight kissing the hood of the car,
golden and soft,
like a brand new start.
Your sleepy eyes met mine,
and we both smiled slow.
The rain had gone,
but the feeling stayed,
I know.
Yeah, we fell asleep, strangers, woke up something more.
In the backwoods rain, backwoods rain,
backwoods rain
took us somewhere we'd never been. Backwoods rain,
brought you closer to me.